So we can see accounts payable loan, Oracle 11A, Oracle 12. What is accounts payable? It is an ERP solution effectively manage creditor. The main task is to pay the supplier for the goods and services. It captures information with respect to purchase, invoice transactions, and the payments to the suppliers. Task of effective control of payable can be achieved in the following tools of timely recording. Yes, if you timely record only, you can pay without a penalty. Effective payments to suppliers through invoice validation and approval. Process X to invoice validation, approval process. Processing hold whenever you need it. There is a concept of hold in Oracle. What is hold? If it is an invoice which is not to be paid, okay, it has to be hold on several days. We'll see later. Availing maximum credit wherever possible. So a credit given has to be availed so that our cash forecast cannot be stopped or it cannot go on a toss. Paying on the due date to avoid the interest. You can yearly pay as per vendor agreement to the maximum discount and the proper mode of payment. It is a subsidiary ledger to the GL. It is integrated to other modules like GL, asset purchasing, cash management, inventory, project, HR, receivable, other gateways, and property. This is the overview of the purchasing. AP, accounts payable and purchasing. So there is a business flow, invoice recording. Based on the purchase order, if your organization implement the purchase order, then suppliers, based on the purchase order, suppliers will provide goods and services. Will provide goods and services. Payable invoice are recorded based on the invoice. First, you would see on the invoice received, purchase order, receipt of material. What happens when only purchase order received and no receipt of material in godown or services? Right? Either this one. See, next is invoice approval, running approval process. Place to delay payment or any variance in order. Okay. If they put on hold and something has to be fixed, suppliers has to be finalized, there is a dunning approval. Place to delay payment for any variation, purchase order, invoice or receipt of material. What is invoice accounting? It is validation and approval. Debit memo issue or credit memo or receipts or recording accounting for variation in purchase order. Invoices or receipt, debit memo, credit memo will be issued. Recorded. What is a debit memo, credit memo? In AP. Suppose there are 100 quantity. And damage 90 received, 100 invoiced already. No need to cancel the invoice. Credit memo created. Since vendor creates, it is credit. We create, we credit. But most are accountically, practically correct. Advance payment is called prepayment process. It's a big process, important process in Oracle. Payments of approval process. Approved invoices will be paid using singular multiple. They call that. Payments are affected. They will be accounted. Refund. Excess payment by refunded basis. There will be record. Your supplier and periodical review should be there. Supplier level. There are various reports. Transfer periodically to GL. Application flow. Assign GL ledger. We already seen in the GL. Once ledger created, we have to assign the ledger or set of books or whatever. Define the lookups. There are various lookups: purchasing, payable, where inbuilt Oracle standard, there are few things you can add something in the lookups. Suppose there is only 10% discount. The 10% at 30. These are only available, and you have some types, or you have to have some supplier type, right? Like email suppliers, or you want vendors. Vendor we want to clarify. Create under the lookup. Payment term, distribution, full distribution set, skeleton full. Distribution set means suppose I have 100 line items. Item A, item B, item C. And create one set and attach to the invoice. Every time you create, what is skeleton is without any amount. Only it can be replicated. Set of controls in financial and pay block. So AP having two options in the setup. Main is financial and pay block. Create supplier and suppliers. So supplier site. So there is a default code given in the setups. If you add something in supplier site, it will take first. The type of standard invoice, credit memo, mixed invoice, employee invoice, is our role and accounting. Repayment invoice we already see. Debit memo, define payment bank account recording. There is information. How it is financial option, payable option, supplier side. What is financial option? This is a big topic. We'll see in our next video. Hope slow and we are going fine.